Hello friends, my name is Utkarsh Sharma and welcome to our YouTube channel Polyg Mantra. I will today starting you the math topic volume. So let us we know about the volume. What is volume? Volume is defined as the three-dimensional space occupied by any object. मतलब इसका मतलब ये है कि वॉल्यूम को थ्री डायमेंशनल स्पेस किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से भर दिया जाए उसे वॉल्यूम कहते हैं। जानने वाली बात यह है कि वॉल्यूम को नापा जाता है पावर में, क्यूब में, जैसे मीटर की पावर मीटर क्यूब, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, इंच क्यूब एंड फीट क्यूब। नाउ let's we discuss about the volume. Now we will discuss about their formulas. Volume of cuboid equal L into breadth B into H. L means length, B means breadth and H means height. Now surface area of cuboid 2 under bracket LB means product of length and breadth plus breadth BH product of breadth and height and plus product of length and height. Now LSA of cuboid equals 2 under bracket L plus B means sum of length and breadth into product of height. Now diagonal of cube equals under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now we will discuss about volume of cube equals A cube. A cube means cube of whole side. Now TSA of cube means we can multiply by 6 in square of sides. Now diagonal of cube means we can multiply by a value of under root 3 into side. In next we will discuss about numericals of cube. Next, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals pi r square h. Pi equals 3.14, r equals radius, h is equal to height. TSA total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We can write this in another form. Take 2 pi r common and under bracket h plus r. Next, LSA of cylinder means lateral surface of cylinder. Lateral surface of cylinder means exterior area of cylinder equals 2 pi r h. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. CSA of cone pi r l. Here pi r l where L is slant height. Slant height means hypotenuse area of cone. For finding slant height, we have to take under root for the addition of our radius square and height square. TSA of cone pi r l plus pi r square. Next, volume of sphere 4 pi r cube by 3. Total area of space and CSA total area of sphere and CSA of sphere equals 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere, where volume of sphere and TSA of sphere and CSA of sphere is equal, they are not different. We can write only one also, whether TSA or CSA. Next, volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. We have used this formula to find volume of hemisphere. For finding TSA of hemisphere 3 pi r square. For finding CSA of hemisphere equal to pi r square. And last we have to find volume of pyramid. So we can use formula for finding volume is 1 by 3 area of base into height, where area of base means equal area of side means A square. We know that we have founding square of side in first question. We have to find diagonal of cube. Length equals 8 centimeter, breadth equals 7 and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Diagonal of cube formula is formula for diagonal of cube equal under root L square plus B square equal H. In place of L we have put 8 in place of B 7 and in place of H 5. Under root of 8 64, under root of 7 49, under root of 5 25. So we have add these all together. Answer is 130 under root 138 centimeter cube. Next question, very easy, where we have to find volume of cuboid. Where length equals 40 centimeter, breadth equals 15 and height equals 60 centimeter. We have to find out volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid equals in finding volume of cuboid we are to calculate the product term of length, breadth and height, that is L into B into H. We know L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth and H is equal to height. So in place of L 40, in place of breadth 15 and in place of H 16. Here we have got answer 3600 centimeter cube. Now next question, we have to find out LSA of cuboid. LSA of cuboid or area of 4 walls is equal. So formula of LSA of cuboid equal to under bracket L plus B into H. We have 80 in the place of L and 64 in place of H, breadth, and 32 in place of H. Now we are solving this. It 150 plus 64, 144. 2 into 144 means 288 into 32. The final answer of this numerical 9216 meter cube. Side of cube is 6 meter. Now we have to find volume of cube. Very easy question. We know that formula of volume cube of cube equal A cube. A cube means all sides of the cube. As given, A is equal to 6 and 6 all cube of 6, 216. Now we have to find out side of cube, diagonal of cube, and diagonal of cube will be solve by using formula under root 3 into A. Under root 3 we can take value of under root 3 also, and value of under root 3 1.73 into 8. So here answer is 3.84. Now we have to find TSA of cube, means total surface area of cube. In total surface area of cube, we can easily put value. Six into A square means side, square of side. We know that square root of 11 is 121. Now we can easily multiply it by 2, 6, and the appropriate answer is on screen. So this is the last topic in this video, and now we will discuss other numericals based on remaining formulas. So thanks for watching. If you have any query about this video, please comment or contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you.